Hi everyone, I'm April with AprilCoxTravel and Freelance, and this is officially my first video on my new channel. For those of you who have seen my other channels, or even if you just watched the trailers, you know that I have a parrot named Fawkes who usually appears in my videos. He is not quite up yet. I heard him in his cage moving around a little bit, so he'll probably be up soon. Today, we are going to be going geocaching. The reason for that is because it's very close to home. We're literally just going to be walking to the destinations we're going to. But we've got 3 destinations that we are going to see right now. We've got 2 geocaches and then possibly a park that we are going to go ahead and visit. I'm bringing this up for you right now because I want you to see what I'm doing as I do it. To some degree, there's some stuff that I need to do to prep. Yeah, as you can see, there's a puzzle here. And so I'm going to decrypt the puzzle here at home. That's not to say that there won't be additional puzzles that I'll have to decrypt in the field. But for right now, like I said, the main focus is really just, I want to decrypt any puzzles. I want to make sure that I have everything sorted out. And depending if I have the location right for Westwood Park, we're going to go walk around on the path there. It's kind of to check it out and see what it is. The theme of this channel is very much focused on things you can do with your pet. And you can take your pet geocaching. You can take your pet to the park. And so that's part of why we're doing these particular activities. I've always been very big on taking Fawkes with me on trips. It's something that's actually very important to me. And so that's why I really wanted my channel to reflect who I am and what my business is. My business is selling pet-friendly travel. And so if I'm going to sell pet-friendly travel, I need to show examples of pet-friendly travel. So anyway, I'm going to go grab some paper and a pen, and we'll go ahead and get started on the puzzle, and then we can go from there. So right now, all I'm doing is just copying down the puzzle itself. You should be able to see it since I've shared my screen, even though you can't see my notebook, or you can't see my paper right now. And so the decryption key is exactly as it says. So basically you just kind of flip them back and forth. And if you have the decryption key, then puzzles are not hard to solve at all. The hard part, it tends to be figuring out what the description or what the decryption key actually is. So this puzzle is not making a lot of sense right now. I mean, don't get me wrong, they're actual words, so I'm confident that I have it right. But not like, I mean, it'll probably make more sense once I get over to, I'm gonna go ahead and put the answer to the puzzle in boxes, and then I'm gonna let you see what I came up with and why it doesn't really make a lot of sense. I mean, it's not making a lot of sense to me. Like I said, it could end up making more sense once we get there. So it says, it's not going to let me with the background on. So let me go ahead and take my background off here so you can read it. So it says, row HUD number 2, check sum of 4, or is it 31? So I don't know. I don't know what that means. But, you know, I guess we will find out when we get there. I'm going to go ahead and put background back on. I'm not a fan of people seeing my apartment if it comes down to it. Let's see here. I don't know when this went. Oh, this went up at the end of March. It says the cache goes out to Jewel Toes because I know how much this geocacher loves my nano hides. They're kind enough to let me know at some point in the recent past that they topped his leaderboard. This person's been eyeballing the location for some time. You don't need to cross the gate. Please be stealthy. And this one should have some nice color contrast. Please replace as found and hidden away. And so because it's somebody else's namesake, it actually says on there, did I share my screen? I did not share my screen. we're not going to open the geocache. We are going to find it and not open it. Because I don't wanna step on any toes. I mean, I don't see any other information. Maybe I have to log in. Okay, yes, this is what I was looking for. I was looking for the map so that it could tell me where exactly it is. We're gonna go ahead to the larger map. Figure out the location. You know what? Other people have marked that they've already found it, so I think we're fine. So I think we will go ahead and okay, yeah, that's not helpful. Okay. So it looks like this is on Sawtell Boulevard, a little before Missouri, over across the street from the Yamaguchi Bonsai Nursery. We're gonna go ahead and move on to the next one. The next one is the Bad News Bears. So this, it doesn't look like there's a lot of description here. Let's get the map. All right. Yeah, this is definitely a Bad News Bears Fields. And it doesn't look like there's a lot of other clues. Let me take a look at this map again to see if it can tell me about how far down right that it is. I think that's it for right now, but I will meet you there and it's gonna be fun. I'll see you soon.
All right, so got my backpack ready to go. We got 2 bottles of water. I got my bus pass.